Hello everybody, 50Block here, and today's video we're going to be showing you the unboxing of the collector's edition of Elder Scrolls Online Summerset. Now, we've done some of these before, and the collector's editions of Elder Scrolls Online do tend to be quite large. They tend to contain the same sort of things. So this should be familiar territory if you've seen videos like this already. Okay, that's the primary incision. I'm trying to do this without giving away any personal information. That should give you an idea of the size of the box. Into the obligatory sleeve. Show you the sides. Shows you the digital content. That's the front. And the back, which gives you an idea of some of the physical items within. Let's remove the sleeve, shall we? Let's figure out how I'm going to open this. I'm going to from the bottom here. There we go. And that's the centerpiece. I'm not sure how well the camera is picking that up. The statue of the Daedric Prince, Mephala. Bring that closer to the camera. And some of the details being picked up. Can take a while for the camera to focus sometimes, I'm afraid, so I do apologise for that. But it is exquisitely detailed, I must say. Sort of a resin material. That's what all the statues I found in the Elder Scrolls Online series have been absolutely fantastic. Very detailed, very well made. Okay, so what does that leave us left? Well, we have your customary map. Again, beautifully detailed, very elven theme here, high elf theme, which makes sense given that this is Summerset on elves. A bit cheap in the quality, I must say, this map. Not the greatest map. It's a bit of a disappointing in comparison to some of the other goodies within the collector's edition. And of course you have your book. I'll do is I'll put this box away. Free up some space to open the other items. Typically the art books have this sort of faux leather effect. It's done very nicely. Yep, this is an exception. This is beautifully done. I'm not sure if that's real or not. Real leather. No. Let's see if that detail's being picked up. As I said, it's beautifully done. And I believe that's it. Ah, there's the steelbook as well, which is hidden underneath the statue of farmer. And the steelbook will of course contain all the codes, etc. Well, there you have it. That's the unboxing of Elder Scrolls Online Summerset. I hope that was informative, and as usual, if you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them. Bye bye.